everybody, Asong Filipina here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm wearing this red sandal. Call it sandal. Well, anyway, today as you see I have some shoes here and also shoes in the box. So I have this one we're going to unbox. So this shoes is from one of my subscribers. So this is a sponsored shoes but not the video. The video is not sponsored, guys. Well, I'm going to show you what I bought last time from this shoes is from Gaisano, near to my place. So okay, let's get started. So first is we're going to open this box. So we'll just make it quick, guys. All of this is closed shoes. So here it is. So I'm gonna fit it and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you all. So okay. So this is how it looks like. So okay, next is we're going to open another box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of shoes. So next is this one. All flats. I will hide first the open shoes. So just enjoy watching, guys. Just enjoy watching. So here it is. And the other one is I'm not gonna open it. Well, okay, that's the second pair. So next is another box. I opened so quickly. Okay, let's make it quick. So this one, my size of my foot is 37, 36. Okay, we're done. And next is this one. There's a lot of dogs around. A lot of dogs. So this one, I really love this type of color. This color. The only thing is only one pair. There's other color with this. So I'll show you. So this is how it looks like. So okay, next. Okay, next is this one. Different colors, the same style. This one. It's silver. So okay, somewhere. Okay. Next, last one in the box is this one. Oh my God. A lot. So I'm gonna use this one for my custom video. So this one. So we're done. So next is the bargain. So I buy some bargain shoes, also closed shoes but with heels. So it's also donation. So So I have this one. I'm not gonna wear. And I have also this one. Also bargain. And third is this one. I still have more, but I'm not gonna show all because I think you get bored watching it. So, well. That would be all for now, and I hope you enjoy our unboxing video. So that's all clothes shoes what I have here, because so I have more open clothes shoes, and this one I use for my postal video and of course at the same time driving videos. And the next video I'm gonna show you the shoe rack. So I purchased today. I went to City Hardware and buy some shoe rack. So I have here next to me. I'm gonna unbox again later on, and of course I'm gonna file the shoes there. So that will be all. Well, if you want a custom video, don't forget to just message me to my Facebook page, Curse Blog, or else just go to my Gmail account. It's just there in my banner in my channel. And I want to say thank you all, and thank you for the shoe donations, and there's more to come. I'm still waiting for the 3 years of shoes in Lazada. It's also clothes shoes, but it's heels, high heels. And yes, that would be all, guys. For this shoe racks is also a donation from one of my subscribers, so thank you so much. I'm gonna make pictures later on how it looks like when it's done installing. Siya nga. Ayaw, ito pangita sa kuwan yung balikin. Adi ka pangita. Hi guys! So, this is the visual now. But anyway, this is a donation from one of my followers. So thank you so much. It's not really even because some parts are very open and some parts here are lower, but here the handles some parts. I'm just not ready. Okay. So I'm going to use the glass. Yes, I can glass.
and people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.